Hi guys, I am Preeti and you are watching this video on different signs that show you that you are connected, you are spiritually connected with somebody. Okay, so let's get started. You feel like learning something. Now these are just random points. I don't mean to say that this is going to be the first sign, then comes the second sign. It's not that way. It's just a random. You just have to see it for yourself. When do these signs match? So the first thing is you just feel like learning something, so you start learning it. Once you are done with it, the person with whom you are connected, you just realize that they are searching for that same knowledge. So when you have learned, you may actually go and share it with them. Yeah, there are a lot of synchronicities. There are a lot of matching preferences that both of you have. Not exactly matching preferences, matching choices. Maybe both of you wear the same colored clothes at some occasion and then you realize, oh, this person also wore the same. Both of you have the same ringtone, or both of you have the same color of the vehicle. You never tried to match it, but it just happened on its own. If both of you are meant to be with each other, slowly the synchronicities will happen in a way that will start bringing you closer to each other. Your paths will keep on crossing with each other. You have not decided to share your location, you have not decided to share your plans, but yet when you try to do something, the other person who is connected, they usually coincide, you cross the pathways, you usually meet each other or end up in the same place together. Maybe you felt like eating something, you like, let's say, suppose you like strawberry ice cream and you have not eaten it since long. You all of a sudden start feeling like eating ice cream. It's not available anywhere around you, and this person who is connected with you, they are coming towards you with a bowl full of strawberry ice cream. Okay, your paths may unite, plans may actually alter or falter, and ultimately the universe will try to put you together with each other. So for example, you have planned for something different, that other person has planned for something different, but ultimately what happened is both of you ended up in the movie hall, and their friends also dropped out and your friends also dropped out, ultimately leaving both of you just inside the movie hall. Yeah, there may be other people also, but just both of you together. So yes, that's definitely a connection that universe also is trying to create. The universe is trying to bring both of you closer to each other by doing all of this. Also, just in case if you try to relocate, you may end up into getting an apartment next to each other. I know there are so many coincidences like this. There are so many, which usually you don't think as coincidence, because just in case if you are connected with this person, universe is definitely conspiring in doing that stuff with both of you. Okay, so this is the video for today. I hope that you like it. These are just a few signs. There are so many more. If you have some more signs, let me know in the comments what do you feel those signs are. Okay, we'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.